Hello all, this is Dr. Deepali Meher. In this video, we are going to see the next slip of Neo4j. These are the Neo4j slip solving session series. If you have not subscribed my channel, kindly subscribe to get next update. Today we are going to solve automobile information vehicle slip. Model the following automobile information system as graph model and answer the following queries using cipher. Consider an automobile industry manufacturing different types of vehicles like heavy vehicles, light vehicles, etc. A customer can buy one or more types of vehicle. A person can recommend vehicle type. So by looking at the question, you should first identify which are different types of nodes and which are different types of relationships. So the nodes can be industry, vehicles, then heavy vehicles and light vehicles, customer and person. And which are different types of relationships? Industry manufactures. So manufacturing is one type of relationship. Then there is different types of vehicles, heavy and light are the types of vehicles. Then a customer can buy, so buy is the relationship. And a person can recommend vehicle type, so recommend is also a relationship. Let us model this Neo4j graph model. There is one industry, I have given my name, Meher Industry. There are different types of vehicles, heavy vehicles and light vehicles. So industry manufactures different types of vehicles. Which are the vehicles? Road roller, dumper, crane, truck, Activa, Pleasure, Hero Honda. I have taken these are the vehicle nodes. Now these are different types of vehicles, that is road roller, dumper, crane and truck are heavy. And Activa, Pleasure, Hero Honda, I have taken those are light type of vehicle. Just a sake for understanding. There are different customers, Prakash, Poonam, Deepali and Akshay. These customers can buy a vehicle and there are different persons. I have taken Gajanan, Maharaj and Kusum, three different types of persons. Now these customers can buy a vehicle. Might possible that one customer can buy many type of vehicle. You can see here Poonam can buy truck also, dumper also, same type of vehicle. Prakash can buy heavy vehicle type crane and also a light vehicle type Pleasure. Same as an Akshay can buy light vehicle type Activa and a heavy vehicle type truck. Now person can recommend a vehicle. So one person can recommend different vehicle types. So Gajanan can recommend crane also and Activa also and Pleasure also. Same as Maharaj can recommend Activa and truck and one Kusum can recommend truck also. Let us model this slip using graph model. So we know how to start Neo4j. Go to the Google text box, write down Neo4j console. A console will open and you have to clear the database. So your dashboard will be cleared. Now here in the command prompt you have to type the queries. So first let us create the nodes. So let us create the first node industry. So create I industry name Meher Industries and in front of that what you have to write? What you have to write? Return I. So when you will type return I, it will create the node as well as it will return the value in front of table format. Now there can be different vehicle type. See, it is vehicle type, light and heavy. So it is not vehicle, it is what? Vehicle type. So create vehicle type light vehicle. So let us create this node. Again there is, you can create different type of vehicle, that is heavy. So let us create that type of vehicle heavy. Now industry manufactures vehicle is the relationship that we want to create. Match industry comma VT is vehicle type. where I name, that is industry name, is Meher Industries and VT name is light. So this industry manufactures light type of vehicle. So create source, relationship, destination. Create I manufactures VT. Meher Industries manufactures light type of vehicle. Let us copy this and create the relationship between industries and type of vehicle. Okay. Sometimes this happen that no any node will get displayed, but don't worry, clear the database. It might happen because it is online console. Create the nodes again very fast, no issue. As I have told, you can copy paste the things in any text editor, so that if such type of problems will occur, what you will do, you can go for fast creation of nodes again. See, I am creating in front of you, as I have done a copy paste in Microsoft Word. So it will not waste my time, though all the nodes, there may be a network issue like this. If it will happen runtime, no issue, you can create the nodes. So industry manufactures vehicles. So let us see here. See, industry manufactures light type of vehicle. Here instead of light, you can change heavy. So this industry also manufactures heavy type of vehicle. So two nodes are created. Next, we have to create the vehicle node, isn't it? Now the simple thing I want to tell you, you can delete this return V from every type. Okay. No, we don't want allies also. That is also possible. Why? What is the purpose of this? You can create n number of nodes at a time. So we can create n number of nodes at a time. So I will remove this return V, and at a time we can create many nodes. See, semicolon is optional. You can give or you cannot give. Generally you don't give the semicolon. So remove the allies also. So at a time we can create. So let us create these two nodes. Vehicle name Activa, color, wheels, mode. I have taken this as a characteristics or properties for that graph node. You can take any. Then vehicle name Pleasure. So let us create those vehicle and let us see whether it will create or not. Yes, it will create Pleasure and Activa. Let us go for another nodes creation. Now we have understood that if we don't want to waste our time, do not write return statement and don't give the allies also. So we have created Activa and Pleasure. Same type we are going to create truck, dumper, crane, road roller, and suppose here Hero Honda and one another DO type of vehicle. So let us create those vehicle. See, Activa, Hero Honda, Pleasure, DO, road roller, crane, dumper, and this one is truck. So these are the vehicles we have created up till. Now let us go and bring the relationship. Create the relationship between type of vehicle is a vehicle type of vehicle. So vehicle name is Activa and VT name, that is vehicle type, is light. So Activa is a type of light vehicle. So create V type of VT. Activa type of light vehicle. Source, relationship, destination. So here we have created Activa is a type of light vehicle. So let us see whether the node will be created. Relationship, yes, Activa is a type of light vehicle. Let us go for another node, another relationship creation. Pleasure is also a type of light vehicle. See here, you can see Pleasure is also a type of light vehicle. Again you can go for Hero Honda is also a type of light vehicle. See, you can see here different color changes. Hero Honda, Pleasure, Activa, both are type of light vehicles. You can take different names. I have taken the names in front of me. Now dumper, crane, road roller and truck, they are a type of heavy vehicles. So let us create the relationship between vehicle and vehicle type. Dumper is a type of heavy vehicle. and the relationship is type of. Dumper is a type of heavy vehicle. Let us go. Crane is also a type of heavy vehicle. Then road roller is also a type of heavy vehicle. You can see the nodes are attached. And then also truck is also a type of heavy vehicle. I have not attached DO to anything. It's your choice, you can attach or you cannot attach. So these, see, industry manufactures different types of vehicles and these are the vehicles. See the source and destination. Arrow is from source to destination. Road roller is a type of heavy vehicle like this. Now let us create the node customer. As I have told, if you want to create all the nodes at a time, remove this return C and remove this alias. You can use while firing the queries, no issue. So it will create 4 customers at a time and it will save your time also while doing the practicals. So you can see here in blue the customers are created, blue color node. Next, customer can buy a vehicle. So match C, customer, V, vehicle. See, customer can buy heavy and light vehicle, but which are the vehicles you have taken? Activa, Pleasure, Road Roller and Crane, such type. So Deepali buy Activa. So you have to create the relationship by source, relationship, destination. Match customer comma vehicle where customer name is Deepali and vehicle name is Activa. Create C by V, Deepali by Activa, and you can return both the nodes. So let us create this. You can see Deepali by Activa. Next is I have taken Prakash by Crane. So let us see here. Prakash can buy Crane. You can see here Prakash buy Crane. See the source and destination. See the relationship. See the arrows. Arrows are very important in Neo4j because based on that arrows relationships are created. So now Prakash also buys can light vehicle, that is Pleasure. Next, Akshay can buy Activa. Next, Akshay can buy truck also. See here, Akshay can buy truck also. Okay, Akshay can buy, see here, Akshay can buy Activa also. Then Poonam can buy truck. And Poonam can buy dumper. Same type of vehicle Poonam is buying. No issue. You have taken such relationship. One person, one customer can buy one type of vehicle twice, or one person can buy different types of vehicles. This you have finished. Now let us create the person nodes. How to create the person nodes? 3 persons I have taken in my example. I am giving the name the persons which are around me. You can also give the name of the persons which are around you. So which is very simple to understand. So 3 persons I have created here. See, you can see in orange color. Next is recommend relationship. Person recommend vehicle. So match person comma vehicle where person dot name is Maharaj and vehicle name is Activa. Create P recommend V. So here I will create one recommend relationship. Let us go to Neo4j and see. So see, person can recommend a vehicle, not a vehicle type, and that is a type of vehicle. So Maharaj can recommend You can see here Maharaj can recommend Activa. See the arrows and source and destinations, that is important. Then Kusum can recommend a truck. Then I have taken Maharaj also can recommend a truck. Recommendations are important. One vehicle may have number of recommendations, might possible. Then Gajanan can recommend Activa. Also he can recommend crane. We are having vehicle recommend relationship query, so I have taken recommend relationship. Then a last relationship, Gajanan can recommend pleasure type of vehicle. Okay, this is our model is in front of us. We have created all the nodes and all the relationships. Now let us fire the queries. See the first query. List the characteristics of heavy vehicle type. What are the characteristics of heavy vehicle types? So there are different characteristics we have taken, that is what is mileage, what is color. For heavy vehicle type we have taken the capacity like this. You can take any. Let us quickly see what are the characteristics we have taken for heavy vehicle types. See, we have taken color, wheels, whether engine works on petrol or diesel or anything, capacity and mileage. So these different characteristics our query should show. So see the first query. List the characteristics of heavy vehicle type. So all the characteristics should display. Match vehicle comma vehicle type where vehicle type, that is vehicle type is VT. So VT dot name. Everywhere I am taking name as a label. So that label is heavy and V type of VT. Vehicle is a type of VT, that is vehicle type, that is heavy type, and you should return that all the characteristics. So I have written V because V will contain all the characteristics. See, every heavy vehicle may have different characteristics. So if you run this query, see vehicle, mileage, color, engine works all, name, road roller. Then the name is diesel. Then the name of the vehicle is dumper. Name of the vehicle is truck. So the first query will give you the answer of list the characteristics of different vehicle types. Let us go for the next query. List the names of the customer who brought a light vehicle. Now which are the light vehicles we have taken? That is Activa, Pleasure and Hero Honda. So you want to list the customers who have bought or brought a light type of vehicle. So match customer, comma vehicle type, comma vehicle. Match customer, comma vehicle type, comma vehicle, where which type of vehicle it is? Light. So VT dot name is light and customer can buy vehicle, and another relationship V type of VT, that is vehicle is a type of VT. You have to return what should be written, like in the select query you have to return the list of names of the customer. So customer name, vehicle name also, and what type of vehicle it is also, as it is only light vehicle. So you can avoid this field if you don't want to display. Here I have taken the query. Let us copy paste the query and look for the answer. See, Deepali has bite. See, vehicle type is always light, so it is not displayed. So you may say that why this type is not displayed. Go and again check whether we have taken for type as a name, that we don't know. If we don't remember, scroll it and go for vehicle type, that we have created name. So instead of writing here vehicle dot type, we should type here vehicle dot name, VT dot name. So it will display, see here, light. So what is our query? Customer names who have displayed light type of vehicle. So don't return only the customer name, don't return list of the customer who have bright light type of the vehicle, and this is your final query. So what changes we have done in the query? See here, we have not written VT dot type, we have written VT dot name, and we don't want to display this vehicle name also. we want to display only the customer name. So it is only C name. C semicolon is optional. Next query is, list the customers who brought more than one type of vehicle. More than one type of vehicle. Okay. So more than one type means those who have buy two or more than two vehicles. So match customer comma vehicle type comma vehicle. Both the relationship should hold where C by V, customer can buy vehicle and V is a type of vehicle. That vehicle should also belong V2. See, we have not taken that DO that belongs to any vehicle type, so that we should not return. See how this query is written. Return case when it will return the case that count of customer name who have buyed this vehicle. So this buy relationship, so this count function will run on customer name and buy relationship, whether that count is more than one type. So more than one type of vehicle, you can say here I have taken 2, so you can take here more than one type means it should be greater than 1. And see here, case when count is greater than 1, then cname and end. See how it is written. It is written in a case. So when this should hold, then end it as a result. So what it will be displayed in the result? CName. So it will display those customer names as a result. More than one type of vehicle. So see, all have buyed. So our query, you may say that all have buyed. So here I will write 2. So it will clear idea. See here it is displayed Deepali, Prakash, Akshay and Poonam. Now it is displayed Prakash, Akshay and Poonam because Deepali has buyed only one type of vehicle. So our query is correct. Now go for the next query. Most recommended vehicle type. See, most recommended vehicle, whether it is heavy vehicle or light vehicle. So you have to go for first vehicles. You have to go for first these vehicles: Activa, Pleasure, Crane, Dumper, Hero Honda, and then you have to find out who have recommended these vehicles, and then you have to find out the count of recommendation, and then what type of vehicle it is, whether it is heavy or light. See the query, most recommended query. So what relationship should hold first? Person should recommend a vehicle. Match person recommend vehicle. Which relationship should hold? Recommend. Match person recommend vehicle. And another relationship should be vehicle should be type of that VT, otherwise heavy or light. Now see, we have to take with VT names as names. So VT dot names, what is that? VT dot names, heavy and light. We have to count that VT name. See here we are not counting the customer type, customer name. Here we are counting that VT. VT is heavy and light. We are counting that. Now what is the purpose of collect? Is to collect the data in a rows. What kind of data it will collect? Names and vehicle count, recommendation count. So that recommendation count is related to with relationship. Which relationship? Both. Customer recommend, person recommend vehicle, and vehicle is a type of vehicle type. So this collect function will create two rows, many rows, names and vehicle type recommendation count as rows. Now you want most recommended, so find out the max from it. So from that count VT, find out the max, and that max should be stored in the variable max itself. As I have told, the purpose of unwind is to return the list back to the user, because these queries are running at the background. So the purpose of unwind is it will try to find out a row which will contain the maximum recommendation count. So row in rows where row dot count is equal to maximum, and that output will be stored in a row. Now you have to, this row will contain vehicle name also and type of vehicle type also, and what is the count, recommendation count also. So this is row dot names is type, and count is that recommendation count. Now it depends on you that whether you want to display the recommendation count or not. Let us fire this query and check for the answer. See, both are 3 in our case. Both are 3 in our case. So we don't know whether query runs perfectly or not. So what we will do, we will increase one more recommendation. So we will so see here, see vehicle name pleasure. So instead of pleasure, what we will do, we will take, see what we have taken. Gajanan will recommend pleasure, Gajanan will recommend crane, Gajanan will recommend Activa. Now Gajanan will recommend truck also. So to check whether our query gives correct answer, we will increase one more recommendation relationship. Okay, we have increased one more recommendation relationship. Then we will go and we will fire this query again to find out the most recommended vehicle and its count. You can see here only one count has come, it is heavy. So row as row names, so return row as row names. So instead of displaying count, you can say here most recommended. So this is the most recommended vehicle. Which type of vehicle? Heavy type of vehicle. It is the most recommended type. So the query is asked not the vehicle, it is most recommended vehicle type. It is not asked that which vehicle is most recommended, which type of vehicle is most recommended. So we have no heavy type of vehicle is most recommended. So we have finished with the slip, that is industry manufactures vehicles different types, customer can buy the vehicles and persons can recommend the vehicles. Thank you dear students. If you like my channel, kindly watch, like, subscribe and share with your friends, and if you subscribe my channel you will get the next updates. Thank you.